All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So courgette, courgette, courgette. A long green vegetable. Yeah, look at that, courgette. Yeah, look at that. Courgette. Yeah. Do you like courgettes? Well, I don't like courgettes. She used to like courgettes. Okay, courgettes. He knows how to cook with a courgette. Makes sense. It is a good place here to grow the courgettes. Yeah. It is a good place. They want to buy more courgettes. I'm not sure why. But they want to buy more courgettes. Okay. These courgettes are fresh. Fresh. Yes, I like using fresh courgettes. They taste better. How cool is that? Yes, very good. Oh, very good. So, he quickly cut the courgette. Yeah. So, he managed to peel the courgette. Peel. Yeah. He's planting more courgettes in the field. I don't understand when you're supposed to plant courgettes, because I don't know when to plant courgettes because they are a strange vegetable. Which season do you plant courgettes? I'm not sure. Yeah. It'll be the right season to harvest courgettes soon. Yeah, so I guess in the autumn is a good time to harvest courgettes, because that is when they are ripe and ready to be eaten. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So courgette, a long green vegetable. Let's have a look. Oh, I didn't think so. No. Okay, right, yeah, okay, courgette. So, how cool is that? Now, can you write courgette in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.